please. Shut up, please. Shut up, please. Hello. Daddy's here. What's 2 minutes? Just 2 minutes.
2 minutes what?
And my birthday. Daddy, come home a whoosh. My tower. My tower. My big tower. My big tower.
You gonna make a big tower?
My big tower. 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 My big tower.
Very good. That's the right way.
This one. This one. This one. 5. 5. A 5. Stop it.
Let me see.
A 5.
That's a number 5 on there? Okay. That is the number 5. You're right.
That's not.
But you need the number 8 to go on there, not the number 5.
Number 8. Right there.
Oh, wait. Here, Lily.
Number 8.
You found the number 8? Excellent. Now you have to put the number 7 on there.
Yeah, that's it. Number 7.
Look at it. Is that the number 7?
Yes.
I don't think it is.
This is number 7.
Yep. Now you need the number 6.
Search on it.
I don't know. You have to look. I don't know if that's 6.
Search. Right there.
Oh, okay. Now you need the number 5. I don't know if you have all the...
Number 5.
Number 5? Oh. Very good. Now you need the number 4. The number 3. I don't know if we have all of them. 3, 2, 1.
This one.
Oh, there's your missing one. It's right by the door. It's the pink one. Right by the door. Over there. The cake. Look over there. The pink one by the door.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
I'm really soft and nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now you have to put number 2. And then number 1. And look at Lily made a big tower. Excellent.
I made it so.
Let me see your happy feet.
Hey, people on there.
Yeah. And what do you do after you make your tower? What do? You always do. Go ahead.
Hug it.
You hug it.
I shouldn't go falling. I let it shaky.
It's a little shaky?
Just boom boom. So let it shaky. I think that. Don't let it shaky.
It's a little shaky.
No, blue.
Blue. What's after the blue?
Yellow.
Yellow. What's after the yellow?
Pink.
Pink. Very good.
Green.
And green.
Blue. And 5. Cold bin. Oh, she's made my picture. See that?
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.